I came into this industry from my mom, who is a healthcare architect, and it just naturally flowed in. My grandfather was a master carpenter, and I loved going to his wood shop where he would build furniture for celebrities in California like Johnny Carson, and I love that side of it. I found this happy medium between the architecture design and the medical side by doing interior design for healthcare. When I did the interior design, I had a lot of imposter syndrome and probably helped get me to where I am in this position now. Corgan has been one of the best cultural experiences that I've had in my career. Not only have I been able to take 12 weeks off for maternity leave to spend with my babies, which I haven't had anywhere else, I get to work with everyone in the firm. I get to talk to people in London and Dublin, people in LA, and everyone is amazing. I remember the first Bluebeam event that I went to in Chicago, and I showed up, there was a bunch of people there. I remember raising my hand saying, yeah, this is the first time I've been to a bug event, and I loved it. And from there, really got into using Bluebeam, trying to use it in a different way than what would typically be used for, and got more excited about it. My company was doing a research project, and we wanted to track how spaces were being used in our office, and I used Bluebeam, and I think every 2 hours or so I would go around the office. I'd have a floor plan. I had a tool set of everyone's faces, and I would plop them into where they were, and it was able to track who that person was, what the date and time was. I had data that associated this person to their job title, and then I could put in, were they doing something analog? Were they doing something on the computer? Were they with other people? I was able to take photos with it. And just with Bluebeam, I built out this whole research project and mind mapped and how spaces were being used. So something totally different than I think its initial use, but something I'm very proud of. I just want to get people excited about learning. I'm a big learner. I love learning, and I want that for everyone. Growing up, I think I always worked really hard to try to be, how can I be this special? How can I be on top being this special? So I think if I could go back, just telling my younger self, like, you don't have to strain to be this ultimate goal. You have so much here that you're proud of. I just want to be known as a good, fun mom. You know, good from the perspective of my husband, fun from the perspective of my 2 kids. As long as my kids run up to me when I pick them up from school, or they're looking out over the fence and they see me and they're like, Mom! That's the best. That's what I want. Being able to talk to other women and other mothers who have gone through the same experience and can come back and say, no, you're doing okay. You're doing the right stuff. You're doing good. Just keep doing what you're doing.